you ever noticed that some men effortlessly attract the attention of women, while others seem to struggle despite their constant efforts to make an impression? The key difference lies in possessing certain qualities that naturally appeal to women. If you're the type of guy who believes that simply being kind and considerate will win a woman's affection, you might be setting yourself up for disappointment. Some men even go as far as blaming women for being unsure of what they want, or questioning why they're drawn to someone who doesn't treat them well. Here's the truth. It's not the fault of women. It's simply how they are wired. Evolution has shaped them to seek out strong, dominant partners who are seen as capable of ensuring the survival and prosperity of their lineage. Acting overly eager or desperate can be a huge turnoff because it signals weakness. In this video, I'm going to share 4 powerful tips that will instantly elevate your appearance, boost your confidence, and make you stand out in any crowd. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Stick around until the end to discover how small changes can lead to big results. Trait 1. Confidence. To kick off the list, we'll start with a trait that's both obvious and widely recognized: confidence. The importance of confidence in attracting women has been acknowledged for ages. But what does it really mean? Confidence is rooted in the ability to accomplish things and handle challenges. In ancient times, a woman's survival often depended on having a strong and capable partner. A man's confidence was a clear indicator of his ability to provide and protect. Consider this: if you come across someone who is insecure and can't even maintain eye contact, would you trust them in a crisis? Most likely you wouldn't. If you lack confidence, there's usually a valid reason behind it, and it's something that can be improved. The first step in building confidence is to be brutally honest with yourself. Identify the areas where you feel insecure. If social situations make you uncomfortable, start attending more social events. If your confidence is affected by your physical appearance, consider starting a fitness routine. Taking these steps will help in 2 significant ways. Practice will naturally improve your skills in challenging situations. Just knowing that you're pushing yourself out of your comfort zone will build a deep, unshakable confidence. This confidence will become part of your presence, and women will instinctively sense it. Trait 2. Being playful. Being playful is another key trait that can make you more appealing. Humor plays a huge role in attraction, but it doesn't mean you need to memorize countless jokes or act like a clown. Instead, being lighthearted, relaxed, and a bit sarcastic is often the best approach. Don't be afraid to tease her, as long as you do it with a smile and a glint in your eye to show that it's all in good fun. Most importantly, don't hesitate to laugh at yourself. A man who takes himself too seriously can come across as insecure, which is not attractive. Trait 3. Physical appearance. It's undeniable. Physical appearance plays a role in attraction. While you might wish it weren't true, looks do matter to women. The good news is, you don't need to be born with perfect genetics to improve your appearance. Focus on presenting the best version of yourself. This means staying well-groomed. Regular exercise not only builds muscle and keeps your weight in check, but it also enhances your overall vitality, which will be noticeable in your appearance. Trait 4. Being less available. When you start dating someone new, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement. However, it's crucial not to lose yourself in the process. Your instincts might tell you to spend as much time with her as possible and respond to her messages immediately, especially with the rush of excitement that comes from her attention. But here's the thing. Women thrive on attention, and if you give it to them too freely, they can quickly lose interest. Keep her guessing and eager for the next time she'll hear from you. Make sure you're living your own life and staying busy. Don't rearrange everything for a new relationship. Trait 5. Emotional resilience. Emotional resilience, or stoicism, is a powerful trait that can make you incredibly attractive. If you can discipline yourself to remain calm and composed in any situation, you'll develop an aura of strength that's hard to resist. Stoicism means maintaining your composure, regardless of what life throws at you. If your relationship ends, you accept it and move forward. If you experience a personal tragedy, you acknowledge the loss, but understand that dwelling on it won't change anything. You continue with your life. Now let's make it complete with a little tip for your personal hygiene. Stop looking unkempt. Many men appear disheveled simply because they haven't learned how to enhance their appearance. You might hear excuses like, "I'm not a woman," or "I don't care about how I look." These are just ways to cope with insecurity. The truth is, any man would choose to present himself more professionally and attractively if he knew how to do it, especially if it didn't require much time or effort. Enhancing your appearance can have a direct impact on how others perceive and treat you in all areas of life. If you look unkempt, people are likely to treat you with less respect. This isn't about obsessing over your appearance. You're a man, not a fashion model. But there are a few simple steps every man can take to improve how he looks and is perceived. Tip 1. Body language and posture. Poor body language can undermine even the most well-dressed and handsome man. It's one of the most important aspects of your appearance, and it can make or break how others perceive you. Consider a tall, attractive man with a great physique and impeccable style. He might look like a true professional, but if his body language is insecure, sitting with his legs tightly together, avoiding eye contact, walking with his head down, or slouching, he will appear weak and unimpressive no matter how well groomed he is. Now think about an MMA fighter. He might have a black eye, a crooked nose, or cauliflower ears, and he might not be particularly tall. Yet, like most fighters, he carries himself with strong and confident body language. Despite any physical imperfections, he commands respect simply by the way he presents himself. Now imagine that same fighter with professional grooming and attire. The combination of confident body language and a polished appearance would set him apart from 90% of the men you encounter. Here are a few quick tips for projecting strong body language. Stand or sit up straight, with your shoulders back and your head held high. Make eye contact when speaking to others and offer a firm handshake. At the same time, practice being relaxed rather than tense. This will make you seem more in control and confident. There's much more to discuss when it comes to body language, including facial expressions, body movement, tone of voice, and how to use your voice effectively. Believe it or not, your tone and vocal delivery play a crucial role in communication and commanding respect. More videos on improving your body language are on the way, so be sure to subscribe. Tip 2. Boost your blood circulation. Have you ever noticed the healthy glow you get after a good cardio session? That radiance isn't just due to sweat. It's largely because of increased blood circulation. Proper blood flow to the face can make your skin look more youthful and vibrant, thanks to the efficient distribution of nutrients and oxygen throughout your body. Getting your blood pumping will make you look more attractive almost instantly. Some guys might be tempted to skip this step out of laziness, but consider this. If you could clone yourself, and that clone went for a 20-minute jog, he would immediately look fresher and more vibrant than you for the rest of the day. It doesn't have to be a run. Whether it's cycling, swimming, or hitting the Stairmaster at the gym, there are countless ways to get your blood circulating. Just make sure you stay active and hydrated. Not only will this improve your appearance, but it will also boost your energy levels and enhance your mental clarity. I recommend doing this early in the day to maximize the benefits throughout the day. Tip 3. Upgrade your wardrobe. If you dress poorly, people are likely to treat you poorly. While some guys may be in a phase where they're focused on other things and not concerned about their appearance, it's important to consider how you present yourself when it comes to networking and making a good impression. Before diving into how to upgrade your style, it's crucial to understand that having a fit physique is foundational. Even the best clothes won't look as good on a poorly conditioned body, while a man with a strong build will still look great, even in simple attire. To improve your style, you don't need to invest in custom-made suits. The first step is identifying your personal style. If you prefer a casual look, focus on refining it to find the best pieces within that category. Some people attempt to dress neatly, but still end up looking sloppy because they don't put in the effort to perfect their style within that specific category. Once you've nailed down your fashion style, the next step is mastering the art of coordinating outfits. Learn how to match colors and pieces effectively. This may sound like a lot of work, but once you grasp the basics, it becomes second nature, just like any other skill you've mastered. If you'd like more detailed advice on improving your style, feel free to ask in the comments below. Tip 4. Prioritize grooming. Every man should understand the importance of good grooming, and the best part is that these improvements are often quick and easy. I won't dwell on this point for too long, but it doesn't matter if you have a full head of hair or are bald. Taking care of the small details can instantly elevate your appearance. Beyond your hair, keep your nails trimmed and take care of your skin. You don't need an elaborate skincare routine, despite what some might suggest. Sometimes it's as simple as maintaining good hygiene. If you found these tips helpful and want more advice on how to level up in every aspect of your life, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started, and there's a lot more coming your way. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, and let's continue this journey together.